Hey guys, Glenn Murray, Glenn Murray Online. How are you doing? Let me make sure. Oh, I forgot to check my sound levels. Like always, it's always good. All right, we're good. Hopefully you can hear me. If you can, make sure you hit a one. Uh, I'm messaging back and forth with my business partner across the country, and we're trying to figure out where this sales came from today. And we're like, where was it? We've got a bunch of ads running. So, anyways, this is affiliate marketing training 2020. I want to give you $1,485 worth of free training. Now, this isn't just bunk products that I bought PLR, guys. These are actual real courses. Each course is a $297 course. I have 5 of them. I want to give them to you. Now, you got to stick around to the end in order to get them, because that's I'm going to tell you the details how to get them. But guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification, and you're going to get notified when I do videos. I'm actually going to be doing more of these incentives. I've created a business center. I'm selling products online, and I want to give to you guys. I don't want any excuses. I want you guys to be able to go out there and do the business. And so many of you are just like, you're just hitting the wall, and it's like, oh, I don't know enough. I don't know enough. Well, I'm going to give you everything you need to know. Everything you need to know is going to be in these courses. So you will get them for free. There's a couple little steps you need to do in order to get them, but I'm going to give them to you because I want you to be successful. Because if you're successful, it means I'm successful. Because if you've been following my channel, how do we do affiliate marketing? There's different ways to do it, but the biggest one, the best one, is to find a software as a service that is subscription based. And when you can get someone into that that's going to propel their business forward, you're going to make passive income, like a regular passive income, especially if you give them a good program that they're going to continue to use for years and years and years, right? So you have to go out and find the really good programs that are going to last, like it's a hosting program, places where they buy their names, a really good email program like an autoresponder, a good page website builder type thing. These are the things that you want to be selling to people in order to get them to make you a residual income. Now they can then take those tools and in turn sell them, show people how to use them, build an agency business around them, build other multiple different ways of doing affiliate marketing, build funnels to sell products. And I'm actually going to show you what I'm showing you, the tip of the iceberg, and why I want to give this to you is I don't want any excuses. I get so many people that are signing up for my courses and signing up for the programs I'm in, and then they quit because they're, oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know. I need more training. I need more training, where the training is actually there, but they seem to want more, right? And it's a weird thing when you're starting out, when you're getting started. A lot of people, they want to consume so much information, and I agree, it's really important to consume information, but you can't let that stop you as well. You need to be taking action. And guys, don't worry, I get bogged down in it too, right? I will put off building that thing that, it's going to take me a couple hours. Like the other night, I sat up till 1:30 in the morning finishing up a website because I had bought an article. I needed to get it onto my website, and I was procrastinating. I was like, oh, I know this is going to make me money and it will make me money for years to come. I need to get it onto my website. I need to get this posted. I need to do all the things I need to do. And I was procrastinating. I'm like, why am I procrastinating? Like, why am I putting off this article, which is basically going to make me money for years to come? It will take a while. I know that it will take probably about 6 weeks before it really starts ranking in Google. I'm going to be needing to send traffic, like referral traffic, to it in order for it to get some hits on it. All right. And once I start getting hits on it and referring back to it and adding links to it, it will slowly grow because it's a really good search term. But it's not going to happen overnight. But once I can get it to have that authority, because my domain continues to grow in authority, it will go into rotation as something that Google's, oh, well, if someone's looking for this, well, they might be looking for this, right? So that's what it is. Long-term game, guys. It's another one of those long-term games that I'm seeing out there. I have tons of them out there, and I get sales and referrals, and it's like, oh, where'd that sale come from? Oh, it's something I did a year ago. All of a sudden, boom, there's a sale, right? And this is what you need to be thinking about as an affiliate marketer. Now, what I'm giving you, if you're also a network marketer that follows my channel, What I'm giving you, and I'm going to show them to you in a minute. What I'm giving you is actually, it will work for network marketing really, really well as well. In fact, one of the first courses is by a guy named Ray Higdon, and if you've been around network marketing or affiliate marketing, you know who Ray Higdon is. He's a multi-million-dollar earner. He's I just saw that he won an award from Clickfunnels for a funnel that has now generated $10 million worth of sales. $10 million worth of sales. And this training is his top training. It's his magnetic sponsoring, his master sponsoring course, and I want to give it to you. It's a $297 value, and you will get it. You just have to wait till the end, and I'll tell you exactly how to get it. So I'm going to go through what I'm going to show you. I'm going to basically. So let me bring my where is it? I'm going to do this, and I'm going to just show you what it is. So let me shut this down, and I'll show you my screen here. So when I give you these courses, this is what it's going to be, guys. This is exactly what you're going to see. You're going to give me your email. I'm going to give you access to this, and you will have access to this training. So you will have the master sponsoring series. You will have the profile profits playbook. You will have the 5-figure 90-day game plan. You'll have the top 5 social posts for success, and you will have the transition in business blueprint. So this is everything you need to make a ton of money online, to run any business, network marketing, affiliate marketing, anything where where you're selling something online. These courses are going to help you, and you're going to have totally 100% free access to them. So let's just go through exactly what they are. So let me bring up my keynote here. So the first one is Ray Higdon's first course he ever created when he was actively building an MLM. This is a 4-module training series recorded during his reign as a #1 earner in his company, right? He recruited 28 people in 21 days, and this is his course, exactly how to do it. Number 2 is Katie Stage's 5 money-making tricks to create customers with your Facebook profile. So this is actually how to turn, and I've trained on this, guys, how to make your Facebook profile make money. And I post on Facebook every single day, and my Facebook profile has no advertising on it. Guys, you gotta be tricky about how you do it, and you need to learn exactly how she does it. All right. Next one is the 90-day game plan. Mark Harbert. If you don't know who Mark Harbert is, Google him. This guy's amazing. Like, this guy is he's an amazing trainer. Some of the people I follow have had him as his coach. I have not had him as his coach. I bought his courses. It's great stuff. So this is a 7-video 90-day game plan course to hit 10K per month in your business, 5-figure, right? So this is yours as well. You're also going to get Lisa Torres. I bought her courses. This is the top 5 social posts for success. Again, this is getting into your social media. This is doing it both on Facebook and Instagram. And this is how she starts posting and getting engagements. Her courses are always great. If you know Lisa, she's full of spunk. She's an amazing trainer, and she will get you going. And this is Erin Birch. Erin Birch is actually new on the scene. She's from my neck of the woods. She's from Vancouver Island, and she just came out of not came out of nowhere, but man, she just came out and she just said, "I'm committed to do it." Her training is great. This is an amazing course. I own this course. It is an awesome course. So this is such a great course. And you want to be able to have these conversations with your prospects and close them. It's none of that crap sort of build fake rapport stuff. It's like she has the conversations down where you just can get into what you're doing. So guys, in total, this is a $1,485 package that I want to give to you. And I'm not going to charge you any money for it. So what exactly why do I want to give this to you? Guys, I want you to have success because I want to introduce you to a program that I want you to be in. And this is the #1 business model to launch online, right? This is a model. It's going to show you. It's a simple 2-step funnel that all top affiliate marketers use. And you can have this real business set up in 15 days or less. And you can stop chasing scams and all the guru stuff. This is the for real thing, and this is I'm going to show you how to get started for minimal risk. And what it is, it's the link below. You need to click on the link below and go through the 15-day challenge. When you are done the 15-day challenge, which a lot of people finish it in about 11 days, when you get a coach with it, and when you're talking to your coach, you want to say, hey, you want them to unlock the modules quicker. If you're going through them, just be in contact with your coach. Say, I want to go through the modules quicker. I want to get it done sooner, right? And when you're done, when you're finished your challenge and you get your affiliate ID, I want you to email. You need to send me an email. I will put my email in the thing. You'll be able to contact me because I'm going to be your sponsor. You're going to be subscribed to my channel. You will be getting emails from me. You can respond to the emails that I send you, because when you click the link, you'll go into my autoresponder. You can just reply to the email and say, hey Glenn, I just got my affiliate link. I'm ready to roll, and I'm going to unlock those 5 courses for you. I'm not going to give them to you now because, guys, I want you to concentrate on the 15 days, right? I don't want you to be confused or anything like that. I want here. I can't see my camera here. I want you to be focused on the 15-day challenge, right? I don't want you basically getting sidetracked or confused. So the minute you finish that challenge and you get your affiliate link, I want you to reply to my email and say, hey, I'm ready, Glenn. Let's do it. Let's unlock those courses. I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to take this to the next level. I want to jump into Mark Harbert's blueprint. I want to get into that. I want to get into Aaron Birch's program. I want to get into Lisa Torres's. I want to get into Ray Higdon. I want to get this going, right? So as soon as you get your affiliate link, you're going to be able to unlock that big $1,500 package totally for free. There's no strings, and you guys will have access to it, and that'll be it. It'd be really cool. So if you're excited about that, sorry, I'm drinking some ginger tea because my throat's bugging me. So if you're excited about that, make sure you comment below and say, yes, Glenn, let's do it. This sounds amazing. You know what? What have you got to lose? If you're struggling, if you're banging your head against the wall and you're like, I can't make this work, take this 15-day challenge. And then there's 2 things that are going to happen. You're going to come out the other side and you're going to be like, I get it. Let's go. Let's build this business. Let's change my life. Or you're going to say, I don't think this is for me. Right? But you need to figure that out, because if not, you're going to be still doing the same thing. What's the definition of insanity? Doing the same thing over and over and over, expecting a different result. Right? Well, you need to get into this, take the course, get going, and the minute you're done, right, get your affiliate link, and you're going to email me, and I'm going to unlock this course for you, and then we're going to go to town. And if you need my content, once I unlock those courses for me, you need my help, message me. I'm going to be available for you. We'll have a Facebook group. I have a couple Facebook groups that I'm always posting into. I will give you access to some of my training Facebook groups, and let's get started. Now, I have a bonus. If you are looking for an MLM, if you're looking for a network marketing company that you're thinking about doing, and where you're like, Glenn, I don't want to do affiliate marketing. I want to do belly to belly. I want to do network marketing. Message me, right? Send me a comment below, Glenn. I want to know about network marketing. I have a network marketing company that I belong to. And if you're interested in going into it, it's growing very fast. It's around the world. It has an amazing compensation plan. I've been in it for years. I love it. I use the products myself. And if you're interested in that, I will honor this same offer. If you don't want to do the affiliate business training, although I recommend doing it, basically, I want you to, if you want to do that, then message me, contact me, say, hey Glenn, what about if I want to go in your network marketing product program? That's what I have for you guys. Hopefully you get all that. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.